Hey, this is the Minster E2 200, which we modified in this base. And the challenge of this press was getting all the oil to get back inside and not flow all over the place. While the press was apart, we made extensive modifications to the frame and the ram with a lot of internal oil lines, bringing all the oils back into the reservoir so it would not leak. We also did extensive machining on all these additional trays and oil diverters to again get all the oil back in place. But it's worked out really well. The press runs great and there's no oil coming out anywhere on the floor. So we're going to come over to the Winters control now and we'll go through the motions. Go ahead, Joe. And we'll get the presses running right now. We'll put it into inch mode, show it in the inch. Then we'll bring it around and we'll go to a single stroke. Now we're going to single stroke. Now we'll put it in continuous mode now and go back on here and show the speed. We'll start wherever it's at. Alright, show the control now. Now we're running it about, I'm too short, what's it about? 60 strokes. Alright, go back to the ram now. And now we'll crank it up a little bit. Alright, now we're up to about 65, 70. 85, bring it to 100. And it'll run 100 nice and smooth. It's not rocking. We'll show you the bass afterwards. And the noise in the back of here, that's the knockout. We have a cam actuation. That's that slapping sound here every time. Alright, here's the control here, Jerry. Show the control at 100 strokes a minute. Okay, now go back to the press. And then work out this way around the press on the side here. Keep it here going. Let's go around this way. We're getting out here on the side here. Show the balance over here, side of the press. Now here's the press at 100 strokes a minute. As you can see it's not rocking. It's running nice and solid. Over here now, Joe, bring it back to 65. Here's the lube pump mounted to the side as you requested. Now the back of the press. Start at the top. These are internal. These are copper lines we mounted inside, which you have all the oil going back. The main oil lines again. You'll see also we have these trays along the gibs here, and a side tray up here which diverts the oil back into the modified drip trays which have been opened up as well. We also made a big diverter up on top above the ram. You can see mounted up there, it's painted. That brings all the oil back to the center of the ram. It stops it off from dripping. And then we have our heavy duty knockout bar which we made over here, as you can see. It's got adjustable jacks for to control it. And there's a roller bar up on top of the cam. And that's what you're hearing hitting going up and down. We've been running the press for a couple of days now. It runs nice and quiet. The ram's within I think 2,000ths across total indicator reading. It's nice and tight. It runs cool. It's ready to put in production. There should be no problems at all. And that's the Minster E2 200 with a 30-degree angle on this base. Done by Stamptech, completely in-house.